Hey guys, today I'm teaching you the top 5 freelance jobs you can start in 2025, even if you have zero experience. First up, content writing. You don't need a degree to get started. Just have basic grammar skills and start writing blogs, product descriptions, or website content. Start on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. If you love being online, being a social media management will help small businesses manage their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok accounts. Use free tools like Canva for content and Meta Business Suite for scheduling. Third, as a virtual assistant or VA, you help businesses with email replies, appointments, data entry, and admin tasks. No experience needed. Just be organized and responsive. Fourth is being a transcription. You only listen to audio and type what you hear. Start on sites like Rev or Transcribe Me. You just need fast typing and good hearing. Lastly, AI prompt writer. AI tools like ChatGPT are booming. Learn to write effective prompts for others. Companies and creators need these. Practice makes perfect. All of these can be done from home with just your laptop. No degree, no experience, just hustle. Start now and build your income online in 2025.